Hey, welcome back to Darkwater.
Today we're going to be unboxing the CJRB Pyrite Light. Here it is. Oh wow, that's nice. Wow. I can thumb flick this really easily.
CJRB's Pyrite Light is their newest offering, and it offers a very budget-friendly knife. I think this is around $30 right now on Amazon. Quality, lightweight, and I fully believe that this was built to compete with Benchmade's Bug Out, which is quite a bit more expensive. Some quick specs on this knife. The overall length is 7.6 inches. The blade length is 3.34 inches. The handle length is 4.25 inches. The blade thickness is 0.1 inches.
The weight is 2.82 ounces or 80 grams.
The blade is a Wharncliffe style blade. It is a full flat grind, and the steel is CJRB's AR RPM 9 steel. So it is a particle metal steel in a $30 knife, and that is ridiculously awesome. The blade coating on the Pyrite Light is a PVD black. The handle is a blue FRN or fiber reinforced nylon. It does have a lanyard hole, goes through and through, has stainless steel hardware. The pocket clip here is a right-handed tip-up carry, but it is also ambidextrous.
Wow, this handle has got really good grip on it. I like the feel of that handle. And the jimping there is wonderful.
What do you think of that action?
Nice.
What do you think of the weight?
It's light.
What are the methods of deployment?
Well, we have a button lock and a sweet thumb stud. Both of them are really smooth.
Yeah, that is awesome.
Yep.
Left-handed with a large hand, finger choil, choking up, detailed work. Some size comparisons with the CJRB Pyrite Light are, first up,
The petrified fish flavorist.
and next up we have the Wee Arsenal. And the Arsenal is quite a large knife, but the Pyrite Light was meant to be a good sized knife as well. And last but not least, the Civivi Imperium, aka Band-Aid knife. What are your final thoughts on the Pyrite Light?
It is light, like the button lock. It's smooth. The blade shape's nice. I like the Wharncliffe design. The handle's nice. It fits really well in my hand. There we go. Yeah, it's nice. Finger trail works really well, too.
If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel.
Leave a comment.
And share with some friends. We enjoyed spending time with you here today, checking out the CJRB Pyrite Light. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.
See ya.